In Houston, where the summer heat can be relentless and the humidity is high, homeowners are constantly seeking ways to improve the comfort and security of their homes. While many focus on insulation and air conditioning systems, one of the most impactful upgrades you can make is installing energy-efficient windows and secure doors. These features not only help reduce energy costs but also play a critical role in ensuring the safety of your family and property. In this article, we'll explore the benefits of energy-efficient windows and the essential role door installation plays in enhancing your home's security. Energy-efficient windows. A smart investment for Houston homes. Energy-efficient windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, which is especially important in Houston's hot climate. These windows use special coatings, multiple panes of glass, and insulating gas between the panes to reduce heat from entering your home during the summer months and escaping during the winter. This results in a more stable indoor temperature, which can lead to significant energy savings. For Houston homeowners, the cost of cooling a home in the peak summer months can be considerable. Energy-efficient windows can help cut down on cooling costs by preventing the outside heat from infiltrating your living space. Not only does this save money on utility bills, but it also reduces the workload on your air conditioning system, helping it last longer and operate more efficiently. In addition to reducing energy costs, energy-efficient windows improve your home's comfort level. They help maintain a consistent indoor temperature by blocking drafts and reducing heat spots. This is particularly important in Houston, where humidity can often cause windows to sweat, leading to discomfort and potential water damage. By installing windows designed to combat these issues, you can keep your home more comfortable year-round. The role of door installation in your home's security. While energy-efficient windows are a great addition to your home, they work in tandem with your doors to provide comprehensive security. Doors are often the most vulnerable entry points in a home, and if not properly installed or maintained, they can be an easy target for burglars. Upgrading to high-quality, secure doors can significantly increase your home's overall security. A professionally installed door offers superior protection against break-ins. Modern security doors are typically made from strong materials like steel or reinforced wood, making them much harder to break down than older, less secure doors. Additionally, these doors often come with high-quality locks, deadbolts, and advanced security features like smart locks, which can further deter potential intruders. In Houston, where the crime rate in certain neighborhoods can be higher, it's especially important to ensure that your doors are secure. A sturdy front door installation can provide peace of mind knowing that your home is protected from potential intruders. Moreover, doors that are properly sealed and insulated help keep your home secure not just from intruders but from extreme weather conditions as well. This is particularly important in a city like Houston, where hurricanes and severe storms can cause significant damage. The connection between energy-efficient windows and door installation. When it comes to home security and energy efficiency, the combination of energy-efficient windows and secure doors provides a well-rounded solution. Both features work together to create a more comfortable, cost-effective, and safe living environment. Energy-efficient windows protect your home from heat loss or gain, while secure doors safeguard your home from unauthorized entry. Additionally, when you invest in both windows and doors, you enhance your home's curb appeal and overall value. Potential buyers in Houston are increasingly looking for homes with energy-efficient features and robust security, so these upgrades can be a great selling point should you decide to move in the future. Why professional installation matters. While it might be tempting to tackle these upgrades yourself, professional installation is crucial. Proper installation of energy-efficient windows and secure doors ensures that both features perform optimally. A poor installation can lead to drafts, leaks, and security vulnerabilities. By working with experienced professionals, you ensure that your windows and doors will provide the best possible protection and energy efficiency. Conclusion. In conclusion, upgrading your Houston home with energy-efficient windows and secure door installation offers a range of benefits, from improved comfort and lower energy bills to enhanced security. By taking steps to improve both aspects, you not only create a more energy-efficient and safe environment for your family, but you also add long-term value to your property. Whether you're looking to save money or increase peace of mind, energy-efficient windows and professionally installed doors are essential investments for every homeowner.